Hey y'all, I'm back. I am going to record a very quick tutorial as a follow-up to I did a video a while back how to make reusable sticker books with wax paper and Happy Planner notebooks. I'll throw up a card if you want to see it. But I received numerous questions how to make these flip-through pages where you have your planner sheets from your Happy Planner sticker books and how you flip them through. It's super easy, and I'm going to show you really quickly how you can make these. So let's go. Okay, so in order to make these cute flip throughs, you just need a few supplies. One is obviously a piece of paper. I highly recommend Happy Planner, only because of the versatility. You can take these pages out. It makes it much easier to manipulate them and put them back in. So you need a piece of paper, a pencil is helpful, you need washi tape, and a ruler. So as far as the washi tape, I recommend washi over regular tape only because washi is very forgiving. You can lift it on and off many times without, pulling at the paper or the sheet. And just use a washi that you don't normally use. Here's one that I got in a Michael's Grab box a long time ago. It's a cute little camping washi, but like I'm never going to use this in my planner. So this is perfect for putting it on the sheet. Then you need to grab your sticker sheets. So I like to use stickers that are similar in what they have on them. These are hearts. This just makes it easier when you're flipping through. And I'm going to show you how to put 4. I would say 4 is the maximum you could put on a page. You could also do 3, just measure it a tiny bit different with a little more space in, but 4 is the most you can put on a side without sacrificing like a little peek of what you see on the sheet. So it's very easy. You just get your washi and you get your ruler. And I always measure from, you can measure from the middle of the page. I always measure it right from the binding. So you're going to want to remember these measurements. You always start at 5 inches. And from there, you can go in half increments. So I'm going to do 4 pages. So the first one I'm going to tape down at 5 inches, then 5.5, then 6 inches, then at the very end of the page. If you're only using 3 of these sheets, still, again, start at 5 inches, but then maybe you can go 5, 5 3/4, 6. You can play with it, but I like half-inch increments just because it makes it easy and simple. So I just make a little mark here with my pencil at 5, and you literally line up your sticker sheet. Make sure you have the same amount of space at the top or the bottom. Pull off a generous piece of washi. That was too generous. Hold on. A generous piece of washi. And tape down, okay? Then, handy dandy ruler, and you can, whoops, it was upside down. You can do the dash marks all at once or one at a time. I'll just do all the rest of them here. And then, like I said, the last one goes on the edge. So, the second one, measure it up here. Generous piece of washi, lay it down, and it doesn't even have to be perfect either. There you go. Third sheet is this. And it doesn't have to be exact, like I said. This is really just simple. And the last sheet, you line it up right on the edge. There you go. Oh, okay, so this one, here, and you might, this is why washi is so forgiving. You're gonna wanna, trying to get it lined up with the other washi, just so, look, there you go, better. So, then you can just flip through, flip through, flip through. And it gives you a tiny little peek of what it is on either side. I'm gonna do the other side with florals. Okay, working along the other side, you just flip your planner page over as if you would in your planner. You take your ruler, and this time you have to turn it upside down to measure from the binder coil cutouts. Here's 5, 5.5, 6, and then the end of the page. Take your sticker sheets. I'm going to do florals. Okay. And you just go. So similar to the other size, you use your pre-made dashes to line up your sticker sheets with washi. Sometimes you will have to adjust and pull them on and off. Washi makes it simple to do that. You just line them up. The very last one goes at the very edge, just like before, and there you go. Very easy flip through. Put it in your Happy Planner notebook sticker book, and you will see how easy it is to stagger planner sticker sheets in an organized fashion, making life very easy when you plan. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and see how simple it is just using a few planner supplies that we all have and just a couple minutes of your time to make these cute, adorable flip through sheets in your Happy Planner notebook. Thank y'all so much. Take care. Bye. If you love saving money just like me, you will love my printable website, Print-A-Party.com with the dashes. These videos are always sponsored by my company, where you can get printables for all sorts of occasions: birthdays, weddings, wine, gift, decor, planning, organization, teacher, and much more. Check it out, Print-A-Party.com with the dashes. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.